Mommy. Could I ask you two questions?
Yes, sure, dear.
Okay, first question. What businesses in Egypt are harmful?
I think although Egypt is a pioneer in many industries and businesses, but in Egypt there are some businesses that are harmful, like plastic industry, construction industry. We have in the construction field and business a huge problem in the use of, in the process of manufacturing of bricks and cement. Those factories have very harmful emission on the environment, as well as the management of waste products from those factories and from chemical industrial factories. They are harmful for water pollution and air pollution.
Okay, the second question is, which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development?
I think we need any business that have a sustainable approach. Sustainability means to have a business, or in any business, to have a mission or a vision for sustainability. Sustainability is the use of the products which are eco-friendly, that maintain the right of the future generations in the resources, on the natural resources that are available in the environment. For any business or for any industry, there must be the main use is on the natural resources. So we have to be very accurate and very sustainable with these resources to avoid any pollution for the air or the water. Also, for example, we can have factories that can study how to reduce the effect of the emissions of the factories of cement and the factories of bricks and the factories of the chemical industries. Also, for the next couple of years, we will have a huge problem in the use of water. We will have a shortage of water in Egypt. So I think the second most important project nowadays is how to use sea distillation projects. Seawater distillation. We have to have more factories in this in Egypt. Also, we can have clean manufacturing factories that use clean energy, green hydrogen, and natural gas for public transportation, for cars, for factories. Generally, we have to stop using of coal, and we have to stop using of diesel and petrol, because those are very harmful for the environment, especially in Egypt. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, could I ask you two questions?
Yes.
Okay, first question. What businesses in Egypt are harmful?
Okay. A lot of business in Egypt here are harmful. Number one, if we look at the industrial business or trade business. If we look at the industrial business, the cement factories polluted. Number two, plastic factories polluted.
Yes.
Fertilizer factories polluted. What's the meaning of polluted? Polluted, it emits CO and CO2 and H2S and a lot of gases which are harmful to the people, especially for irritation, for chest allergies, for heart attack, and another thing for CO2, which keep the temperature around the ground of the earth. Let the ice melt in some areas in the north pole and the west pole, which cause a lot of problem in flooding and the high temperatures of the earth and so on. Another thing, if we look at the iron factories also, it produce a lot of something. What's the meaning of harmful? Harmful for food. What's the meaning of harmful food? Like what the particle, black particle, which do a lot of something allergics for the system of the people.
Yes.
This is a big problem here faced to Egypt. Iron factories, the metal factories, and so on. If we look at another problem, due to the transportation deforestation means in Egypt here, reduce a lot of CO2 carbon monoxide.
Which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development?
Number one and finally, renewable energy sector. We need renewable energy sector. We need to get out from depending on the oil exported from outside or the natural gases from outside also. We need to depend on the wind energy, solar energy, and everything like that, out the biomass, agriculture resid, to produce electricity, which is the main source for development and producing an enough income for the people here. And in this case, you will not depend on the outside to get money, which is a big problem for the economic issue in Egypt.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Do you know another thing?
No, thank.
Do
Bye.
you need? Okay, bye.
Hi, could I ask you 2 questions?
Yes, sure.
Okay. First question. What businesses in Egypt are harmful?
Firstly, I think plastic pollution.
Yes.
I think plastic pollution is one of the most important issues to talk about. It's one of the main reasons of pollution. We can see its impact on our health, on wildlife, on oceans. Secondly, I think is the cement factories pollution. It's the third reason and source of pollution actually. It emits a lot of harmful gases such as sulfur dioxide, oxygen oxide. So it's one of the third actually industrial source of pollution.
Okay. Second question is, which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development? What do you think?
I think if you work more on the issues that we have by developing it, as an example, plastic pollution, we need to spread more awareness about recycling plastic. We go through 10 billion plastic bags worldwide every week. So we can start recycling them by spreading more awareness in plastic cups, bags. And secondly, for the cement pollution, I think we can develop it by using less nitrogen dioxide and making sure we have machines that can take responsibility of the consequences of the effect of the dangerous gas emitted.
Okay, thank you. Could you give a reason for your answer?
Sorry?
Could you give a reason for your answer?
Yes, sure. Okay, I think that these 2 topics I give the answer about for me are the most important, one of the most important issues to talk about. This is the reason I had them in mind.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Hi, could I take from your time 5 minutes?
Sure.
Yes, I'm going to ask you 2 questions.
Okay.
The first, what businesses in Egypt are harmful?
I think the beauty business in general and waste management, they don't promote enough for the solutions, and they harm especially for the beauty industry, harm self-acceptance and stuff like that, and they raise the bar for a very, very fake harmful ones.
The second question is, which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development?
Awareness campaigns and waste management.
Could you give a reason for that?
They're not very general, and they're not very everywhere, so everyone can think about it and learn something from it. They are here, but in a very, very low amount.
Hi, could I ask you 2 questions?
Oh, my pleasure.
First question, what businesses in Egypt are harmful?
I think smoking and alcoholic business,
well as fuel used for the cars. Okay.
Thank you. And the second question is, which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development?
I think we should use the green hydrogen and the natural gas for the instead of using fuel, as well as the electronic cars. Okay. We need more awareness campaigns, especially for kids and new generations concerning tobacco and alcohol.
Could you give a reason for your answer?
To avoid air pollution and to be eco-friendly. You're welcome.
Hi, could I ask you two questions?
Yes, sure.
First question, what businesses in Egypt are harmful?
I think waste collection and management.
The second question is, which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development?
Recycling of waste products of factories.
Yes. Could you give a reason for your answer?
To reduce air and water pollution.
Hi, could I ask you two questions? Yes, sure. First question, what businesses in Egypt are harmful?
Using coal in many industries.
Okay. And second question, which businesses do we need more in Egypt for development?
Hydrogen, gas, and green instead of coal.
Okay. Could you give a reason for your answer?
Yes. To be eco-friendly.